This ruggedized watch is called the Ocean, with a variety of different watch faces and capabilities. You can go into a training session where you can either do running, cycling, badminton, table tennis, regular tennis. You can get messages pushed to you from your phone, find your phone directly from the watch, check your heart rate or blood pressure, and do a few other functions like checking the version number, brightening or dimming the overall screen, turning it off, or resetting it. This is the QR code that you download for the Tethering app, which has some interesting and unique capabilities that we share with you in the full review. You have, again, more watch faces available, and that's pretty much it. It's 4 buttons. This one's in camo. It's available in white and rainbow. Definitely ruggedized, fully waterproof. Again, it's called the Ocean. Check it out.